Hello everyone, I'm so happy to see you here again. Welcome to another English lesson. In this lesson, we want to talk about time. I want to teach you how to read clocks, how to tell time on clocks. As you can see in the picture, this is a clock. First things first, I want to tell you about different parts of a clock. We've got different parts on a clock. The first one is this one. Morning. This part is called morning. Morning is from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Now, look at this part. This part is noon. Noon means 12 p.m. We can also say that midday. Midday means 12 p.m. And this part is afternoon. This part is afternoon. Afternoon is from 1 p.m. or this to 5 or 6 p.m. Okay, we call this afternoon. After that, we have this part, yellow part. This part is evening. Evening is from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. And after that, we have this part from 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. We call this part night. And the last part is 12 a.m. or also we can say midnight. Look at this one. We have two different kind of clocks. Digital clock and analog clock. Analog one has hands. They are hands. One short hand for hours and one long hand for minutes. It's very easy to read time when you've got this 00. For example, what's the time now? It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Be careful about that. We use o'clock for hour, not minutes. So if I had this, I can't use o'clock for that. It's wrong. Okay? Now look at this one. What is this? It's 12 o'clock. What about this one? It's 3 o'clock. So, you should use it's at the beginning of your sentence and then have a number like this or here. And then o'clock. It's very easy. This is when you are talking about hours. But what about when the long hand of your clock is on 6, like here? How can I say that? For example, here. I should say it's 9:30. What about this one? It's 12:30. or it's 30 minutes to 1. I want to talk about this part. This part we call quarter. So, what is this? It's a quarter past 8. It's a quarter past 8. Quarter means 15 minutes. So we use quarter and past for this time. What about this one? What's the time now? It's a quarter past 6. We can also use it like this. If you say it's a quarter to 5, it's a quarter to 5, because here we have just 15 minutes to 5 o'clock, the next clock. Okay? That's the difference. Or this one, it's a quarter to 12. That means after 15 minutes, we have 12 o'clock. Now we have some clocks. We want to do them together, okay? The first one. It's 14 minutes past 7. It's 14 minutes past 7. Can you say the clock? Yeah, it's 24 minutes past 2. Now look at the other one. After 2 minutes, we have 6 o'clock. So it's 2 minutes to 6, or it's almost 6. What about this one? It's 11 minutes to 10. Yeah? Now look at this digital clock. So what is the time now? It's 6:10, or it's 10 minutes past 6. Whenever in a digital clock you've got 0 in minutes, like here, you can call it O. I write here. For example, this one, it's 8:09. Okay, it's 8:09. Now, another important part of clocks is AM and PM. Basically, AM means morning and PM means noon to night. But sometimes it's confusing, like when, for example, what is this? 1 p.m. Yeah, it's true. It means we are at noon. And what about this one? 1 a.m. It means we are in the morning, right? Now, we want to look to this table together. For example, the first one is 9 a.m. It means 9 o'clock in the morning. 12 p.m. As I said, we can say midday or noon. At midday or at noon. This one, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. it means all morning. 1:58. After 2 minutes, we have 2 o'clock. So, just before 2, or we can say nearly 2, or almost 2. 5 p.m. It means 5 o'clock in the afternoon. 2 till 5:30 p.m. All afternoon. Also all day from 9 to 5. 7 p.m. It means 7 o'clock in the evening. 8 to just after 8, because 2 minutes ago we had time 8 o'clock. Now we can say just after 8. The next one. It's 11:30 p.m. or 11:30 p.m. It means 11:30 at night because of p.m. And the last one, as we said, 12 a.m. at midnight. It means we are going to the morning. Okay? I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, and leave comments for me. Thank you. See you. Bye.